Hello everyone. Today we have a nice integral problem in front of us. These kinds of questions are really important for understanding the logic behind integrals. I shortened the problem a bit to fit on the screen, and here's what it says. Given that m is a positive real number, the graph of a function f defined on the closed interval, minus m and m, lies in the Cartesian coordinate plane. The area between the graph of f and the x-axis is divided into 4 regions. These regions, which all have different areas, are labeled A, B, C, and D as shown in the figure. Then we are given an integral equation, and the question asks, what is the value of the integral of f of x from minus m to m? Alright, we'll do a bit of algebra here. First, take a look at the integral that includes the absolute value of the function. This expression represents the total area under the curve from minus m to m, regardless of whether the function is above or below the x-axis. So even the regions B and C, which are below the axis, contribute positively. In other words, this is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Now let's look at the second integral. It's the same as the first one, except there's no absolute value. That means the areas B and C, which lie below the x-axis, will count as negative. So this one is equal to A plus D minus B minus C. Make sense? Now let's check out the third integral. It's the integral from 0 to m of 2 times f of x. Since 2 is a constant, we can take it out of the integral. So this expression becomes 2 times d minus c, which is simply minus 2c plus 2d. In the given equation, some terms cancel out. For instance, both sides contain plus a and plus d, so we eliminate those. What's left is 2b plus 2c equals minus 2c plus 2d. If we move the minus 2c to the left and divide everything by 2, we get d equals b plus 2c. Now, the question is actually asking for the value of the expression a minus b minus c plus d. If we substitute d with b plus 2c, then the expression becomes a minus b minus c plus b plus 2c. Simplifying that gives us a plus c. So the correct answer is choice B. Were you able to solve the problem? I think it was a really nice question, one of those where you're not quite sure what the answer will be until the very end. I hope everything was clear. See you in the next lesson.